Are you considering going vegan but you don't know what it exactly is, what to eat, and where to start? Well, I'm here with 10 super simple and easy vegan tips for beginners. It will definitely help you to know more about vegan diet in depth. Before getting started, I want to tell you that this particular video is all about spreading my knowledge and sharing my experience with you all. And it isn't about forcing you to accept this lifestyle. I had a reason for which I chose this lifestyle, and you may have a reason not to, which I completely respect. Neither anybody can do it for you nor anybody can force you to do it. It's all your personal decision. I hope you got that point. So, to all the aspirants who want to know more about veganism, without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well, veganism is a way of living that excludes all forms of animal products which we use for food, clothing, and any other purpose. So basically, a vegan diet does not include any animal products. This includes all type of meats like chicken, seafood, beef, even dairy products, eggs, honey, gelatin, and so on. I hope you got the idea. Everybody has questions about vegans. All they eat are salads? Or how can they live without cheese, eggs, and meat? I hear this from the people I meet. Even earlier, when I was unaware of this lifestyle, I used to question vegans. How do you get your protein? In short, everybody has questions about what do vegans eat. Well, there are so many delicious foods for you to eat on a vegan diet. And there are so many delicious recipes for you to make using these foods. One of the most beautiful things about being vegan is that you can make many of your favorite meals by yourself. Vegan meals mainly consist of fruits, veggies, whole grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, dairy-free milk, dairy-free cheese, desserts, and pastries. Yes, you heard it right. You can definitely enjoy the pleasure of consuming desserts and pastries as well. Plus, there's no compromise on taste. Now you know what is veganism and what do vegans eat. Let's dive in and go through all the 10 beginners tips to adapt veganism. Knowing your why is very important when you are making changes in your life or setting new goals. Write it down and hold on to it. I became vegan for a year due to health reasons. Likewise, there are other reasons too, such as environmental reason or ethical reason. Remember, adapting a vegan lifestyle is a personal decision that no one can decide for you. If you can't come up with a good reason, then chances are you are not going to stick to it for a long. Thus, why power allows you to make choices and proceed with care and dedication. You need to have an open mind when you are changing your lifestyle. You need to have an accepting attitude than a judging attitude. In order to adapt it, you have to be positive about it. You should look for the gains than the sacrifices. For example, don't be sad about sacrificing on chicken. Rather than that, focus on the fact that you are exploring different foods like tofu or almond milk. You don't have to do everything all at once. Take your time and do what works best for you. Start with one habit at a time. Maybe create one goal a month and implement it in your daily schedule. The point is that it's perfectly fine to take it slow and proceed at your own pace. Being vegan is not a miracle diet, it's just a lifestyle. It's important to remember that our bodies are all unique, so don't compare yourself with others. Give yourself enough time to adapt the new diet. You can even eliminate one animal-based product per week by substituting it with vegan option. Example, instead of using cow's milk, use non-dairy milk such as almond milk or soy milk. Not to worry, I'm coming with a video wherein I'm going to share some vegan substitutes for animal-based products. I believe educating yourself before transitioning is vital. I read articles, watched documentaries, discussed with my doctor and nutritionist, tried great recipes, and created a list of restaurants with vegan options before transitioning. It was my nutritionist who introduced me to this concept of veganism. Since I stepped into vegan journey, I made sure to pay regular visits to my nutritionist. This way I got my health checked regularly in order to know if my body is deficient in something. It is recommended to take B12 supplement on a vegan diet. B12 comes from the soil through harvesting. However, by the time food gets to our plate, it has been heavily processed. Therefore, we don't get as much B12 as non-vegans. Non-vegans get their B12 from animals who are eating the soil. It's important that you get adequate supplements according to your body need. I strongly recommend visiting a nutritionist for this matter. My recommendation is to try to pick all the different food combinations, and this means everything. Open your horizons and start having fun while preparing and eating. When I first became vegan, I did not plan, and that made maintaining my new lifestyle very challenging at times. After that, my doctor encouraged me to make a detailed meal plan. You're worthy of taking time out of your schedule to do something that will benefit you. And believe me, this does. Meal planning can save you lots of time, money, and stress. Find recipes you like that are quick and easy to prepare and make them on your day off. Make a grocery list items to purchase. Check out some vegan blogs, use Pinterest, and start experimenting. It may be helpful to keep a record of how you feel physically and emotionally. Journal your meals and ask yourself how each meal made you feel. Or simply start by journaling in the Notes app on your smartphone. This can help you get to the root of any unknown issues if caused, such as acne, stress, or bloating. It's really important to plan. When you know you're going to go out for dinner or an event or going to be in an environment that are non-vegan friendly, do make sure that you are mentally prepared so that you can potentially handle people that do not understand what it's like to be vegan. If you're going to a restaurant, then review the menu ahead of time to see if they have any vegan options, or you can even contact the restaurant to ask more questions if there is any confusion. If no options are available, then you can just eat before you go out or after. Always keep a snack in your bag, especially if you will be out for several hours. Another option is to meal prep and take your food with you. There are so many groups online and even in person that support the vegan movement. You can definitely check out Pickup Lime's channel or Avant-Garde channel for vegan inspiration. They share amazing recipes, vegan tips, and wellness information. This will help you to keep yourself motivated and inspired throughout your journey. So this is all about my experience about adapting veganism. I hope you find these tips helpful, and I hope they add some value to your life. So this is all for today. Here I am signing off and wishing you all may have a healthy and positive vegan journey. I'll meet you up super soon with some super exciting content. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.